Hello, Black Hot Cougars. Mrs. Sutliff here, and I want to launch our STEAM challenge for the shovel project. You will be constructing your shovel today, but only after you have finished your plans. So, if your blueprint on your blue paper is not done, you need to go back to the last lesson and refresh your memory on what we were doing last time and finish your blueprint. Then as soon as you are done, you can bring your empty bag and your blueprint up to the table to come and get your supplies from me. And you do not need to wait for me to tell you to come up. Just do it right when you're ready to, okay? So our learning target for today is I can design and build a very nice looking shovel that can shovel real snow. Actually, not real snow. It'll just be rice. But we will be testing these shovels in January when we come back from winter break. So do your best to make a sturdy and nice looking shovel, okay? We're going to be using the design process. I gave you the ask already, which is you're making a shovel. The imagine we did last time. We imagined the possibilities and then you made your plan. And today you are finishing your plan and then you may start the create process. Now, as you're creating, you might notice things that are not going so well. And then in the moment, you can revise what you're doing to improve it and then continue creating it. Okay? Revise as you go. Improve it as you notice things are going wrong with it, such as maybe you can't get it to fit together, that sort of thing. Okay? So we will be presenting these by taking pictures of you with them, which are going with the winter song video that Mr. D is making. So please make sure that it looks nice and that you're ready for your picture before winter break comes. Okay? So I want you to think about this. Before beginning, you should plan carefully. So here are some things that you need to keep in mind about your shovel project. Your shovel needs to be at least a foot long. I told you that last time. So did you plan for that yet? How are you going to make it that long? This is about how big a foot is. It's pretty big, okay? The scoop part of your shovel needs to fit in your plastic bag. So keep the size of your bag in mind when you're deciding how big to make the scoop part of your shovel, okay? Your shovel needs to fit in your bag too. So because of the scoop of your shovel and then the handle as well, we're gonna have to build it in separate parts and then put it together just to take the picture and just to do the test. So remember to think about how you will be attaching these separate parts, because when it's time to take the picture, you're gonna need to attach them together. If you rush to build your shovel, then you will be done and you will have nothing to do when you could have just made a better shovel. So slow down, take your time, and do a good job. You also need to decorate it nicely, so make sure you take your time to make it look good too. All right, then I want to close by just talking about how this might be hard for you. This might actually be a big, good challenge for you, and challenges are good. Challenges are how we grow and learn and get better. And so you need to make sure that you try. You can look at this little guy over here. Try, fail, try again, fail again, try again, fail again, try again, and finally you will win, okay? Feel free to try and do some trial runs of scooping snow with your shovel before the actual test in January and see if maybe your shovel fails. And there are some things that you can do to make it better, okay? Perseverance just means I can do it if I put my mind to it. And not giving up is a big part of persevering, okay? So never giving up. I expect each and every one of you to make a shovel that works and looks good. So please make sure that you try. And if you know you need help with something, ask right away so we don't waste any time, okay? You can go ahead and get started with your building. Make sure your plan is done first, and then you can come up to my table to get the materials you need. Okay, hop to it.